Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove or change your email on Temu. Whether we are updating our account information or switching to a new email, we can follow these simple steps to do it safely and quickly. On the Temu dashboard, we click on our account at the top part of the dashboard. From here, we go to Account Security. Here, we can find our Account Security section. Under Account Security, we will see our email listed here. To change the email, we click on the Edit button. We will then see the verification steps. We just need to enter the verification code sent to our previous email. Once we have the correct verification code, we can change our email and verify it again on the new email. And that's how we remove or change our email on Temu.